Look, you could say what you want to say, but there's a lot of people who are worshiping Satan and they have no idea. They are literally worshiping Satan and they have no idea. And you might be one of them. Maybe, hopefully not. I'm assuming if you're watching this video, then you're a Christian and you believe in God and you fear the Lord. But there's a lot of people, thousands of people who are worshiping Satan and they don't even understand that they are worshiping Satan. They don't know what they're doing. And when I see a situation like this, I mean, you have eyes. You can see how many people are in this crowd. There's thousands of people in this crowd. And they thought that they showed up just to have a good time, listen to some music, whatever. But in all actuality, they're worshiping Satan. They're standing in the crowd as crosses are burning on the stage. They're standing in the crowd as Lil Uzi Vert, who, make no doubt about it, Lil Uzi Vert is a Satanist. And this is not like breaking news or nothing like that. Lil Uzi Vert is a Satanist. And this is why I wasn't even surprised. I wasn't even surprised when I first saw this video, when I first saw this concert. And I even tweeted this last night. I said, I'm not even surprised at this point. I'm not even surprised at this point. This tweet says fans are concerned about Lil Uzi Vert's eyes in his religious themed performance at Rolling Loud. He had crosses burning in the background. At one point he was chanting Satan, and he was talking about how he can make a girl believe in Satan. And he had the whole crowd chanting these lyrics. And that's why I say a lot of these people, bro, they're clearly worshiping Satan and they have no idea what they're doing. Look at this man's belt. Look at his belt. He's got satanic stars all over his belt. And it's not even like he's hiding it. And to get it clear, he's never hid the fact that he was a Satanist. It's just the people who consume his music just don't want to accept that he is a Satanist, that he worships Satan. But he's been on this type of time for a very, very long time. I mean, you don't just wear stuff like this. You don't just wear stuff like this unless you're worshiping Satan. You're definitely not worshiping Jesus. You're definitely not worshiping God. So then whose team are you on? If you ain't rocking with God, then whose team are you rocking with? You're rocking with Satan. You're not going to put on a belt full of satanic stars and then sit here and try to tell me otherwise. And anyone who thinks otherwise is a fool, is misguided, lacks discernment, and needs Christ in their life ASAP. Like ASAP. You know, it's so bad. This is how bad it is. This is how bad it is. It's so bad that other rappers are rebuking Lil Uzi Vert. We have Tony Yayo, this man ain't put out a song in a very long time, but nonetheless, he's still a rapper. He's still in the community. I used to listen to him back in the day, back in my, unsaved days, back when I was, in the world like that. But if any of y'all know G Unit, y'all used to listen to G Unit, then you know who Tony Yayo is. But he even rebuked Lil Uzi Vert. And Tony Yayo even said, I believe in God. I don't know about that stuff, man. In reference to everything that was happening at this concert. You also had Summer Walker. Summer Walker is another artist in the industry. She even came out and she said, yo, this ain't it. Like, whatever Lil Uzi Vert is doing, that stuff ain't cool. And she even went as far as to say Are some of these artists, are some of them seeing demons? Are they having conversations with demons? This is what Summer Walker said. And then she came out the other day and she said that she is in fear of being canceled because of what she said about Lil Uzi Vert. But make no doubt about it, you should not be fearful of being canceled when calling somebody out who is clear and obviously worshiping Satan and wants his fans, who are majority, surprisingly enough, majority of this dude's fans are actually little kids. They're actually little kids. This same week, Lil Uzi Vert was at the Nickelodeon Kids Choice Awards, and he performed the same song that he performed at Rolling Loud. The same song that he performed right here in this video is the exact same song that he performed when he went to when he went to the Kids Choice Awards at Nickelodeon. And you see all these kids in the crowd cheering and dancing. This is what the world wants you to get behind. This is what the world wants you to do. The world doesn't want you to know Jesus. The world will suppress everything that is good and amplify everything that is evil. But y'all must have forgot about this, right? And like I said, this was in 2018. And this is why I said it doesn't surprise me anymore. This story happened in 2018. What y'all just saw at Rolling Loud, this just happened a couple days ago. But this story right here just happened in 2018. Lil Uzi Vert drops $350,000 on an upside down cross chain. Lil Uzi Vert spent $350,000 to purchase this upside down cross chain. But that's not the only upside down cross that he's rocking. He has a whole necklace filled with upside down crosses. And y'all act like this is something new. Y'all act like he's doing something out of the ordinary. He's always been a worshiper of Satan. And if you're listening to his music, if you're going to his concerts, if you're putting money in the pocket of this man, then you are furthering the agenda of Satan. That's just what it is. That's just what it is. Like, I don't know what else to tell y'all. I don't know what else to tell y'all. It's very crazy that we could have, like I said, thousands of people show up to this show. Thousands of people show up to this show, right? Not knowing that they were actually participating in actively worshiping Satan. And I'm sure there probably were some people in the crowd who felt in their spirit like, yo, this ain't right. Like, we shouldn't be here. I'm sure there were some people in the crowd that felt like that. But if I had to guess, just based on the comments, just based off of reading, what people are saying in response to this, a lot of people don't have any issue with this performance. A lot of people think that this is just normal. A lot of people think that this is just normal. And actually, you know what's funny? I commented on the video. So if you go on YouTube, you can actually watch his full performance. It's like a 45-minute performance. And I commented on it. I want to see if anyone responded to my comments. This is a performance right here. Nobody said anything. He said it is. But yeah, I mean, bro, this is what people want. This is what young people want. And this is what the world is promoting right now. And this is what the world wants you to get behind. What do y'all think about this? What do y'all think about this? Get in my comments. Let me know what you think. Like this video. I guess all we can, and like I said, I don't want to make it seem like it's such a small thing, because when I end these videos and I say all we can do is pray, I don't want to make it seem like that's a small thing. That's actually a massive thing that we can do. It's a massive privilege that we have to be able to talk to the king of this entire universe, the king of this entire world, the king of everything, the king of kings. It's a massive privilege that we have the ability to communicate with him. And that's what we need to do in reference to this situation, to get these people, specifically these young people, to open their eyes and realize that what you're doing is actually going to lead you straight to hell. So let me know what you think in the comments. Like this video, subscribe. I'm out.